We're learning by exploring. We're pushing the 911 and ourselves to extremes. Driven on by engineering curiosity where there's no track and there are no roads.
We are ready to take challenges. This is this motorsport DNA within the company.
Testing ideas and designed for the toughest conditions on Earth.
People that are keen on going new paths, finding new things.
An adventure begun and an altitude reached beyond Everest Base Camp, where the air is thin and the temperature is far below freezing. And this is just the beginning.